Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to use WealthSimple Trade. First, go to wealthsimple.com or download the WealthSimple Trade app from the App Store or Google Play. Now sign up or log into your account. If you're new, follow the steps to create an account by entering your email, password, and personal details. Next, connect your bank account to deposit funds. Tap Add Funds, enter the amount you want to invest, and confirm the transfer. Once your funds are available, you can start trading. Now search for the stock or ETF you want to buy by typing its name or ticker symbol in the search bar. Tap on the stock, then tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, choose Market or Limit Order, and confirm your purchase. To sell, go to your portfolio, select the stock, tap Sell, enter the amount, and confirm. You can track your investments anytime through the WealthSimple Trade dashboard. WealthSimple Trade offers zero commission trading, making it a great choice for beginners looking to invest in stocks and ETFs. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.